How to cancel Pokemon TCGP Premium Pass trial. Now, first things first is you won't be able to cancel it by using your browser. You can only access the game if you have purchased or subscribed or even tried the Premium Pass trial on the Pokemon trading card game Pocket. Now, just simply log into your game, and on your game, just head directly to the cards that you purchase or even the golden card as a set of example. Now, one of those options or features that you have pressed or chose whenever you subscribe or try the Premium Pass trial, there is always an option there. So there are two options that you will see, which is going to be subscribe, and below that, there is going to be an option that is going to be underlined as cancel trial. So just simply choose that option, and you should be able to successfully cancel your free trial. So that's it. That's how you cancel Pokemon TCGP Premium Pass trial.